Alright, today we're going to take a look at a pretty good Zippo. And this video is brought to us by my special guest sponsor of TANG, which is the drink of astronauts. And you can see it's orange or naranja. That's my #1 sponsor, and my secondary sponsor is Buffalo Bayou. The Buffalo Bayou Brewing Company, maker of more CowBell. It's a double IPA and it's 9%. That's a good one. That's very important. So let's take a look at this Zippo. So it comes in the normal Zippo black box, and that label says moon landing, and that label was taped on, and it's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA in the USA. So let's take a look at this commemorative Zippo. It's a normal insert, nothing special about that except for the Zippo logo, of course. And this is the moon landing commemorative, July 20th, 1969. I think that's 51 years ago. Quite nice. Good sound. Lights up nice. And this was made in, looks like A of this year, or 20. A is January. Really good stampings on this. You can see it's a brass body. So that is the moon landing commemorative lighter. It's on a black matte finish, and that is a sticker on there. So let's do a drop test. See if this moon Zippo can pass the test. So there you go, one small drop for mankind. That's the moon landing. And yes, it definitely deserves more CowBell. And maybe even a little more. Knuckle bump.